Game failing to initialize because of the DirectX 10 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's sync your multimedia environment and get you back to gaming. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for DirectX 10, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the DirectX 10 Update 34, a legacy DirectX 10 helper component. It manages unmanaged shader compilation and mesh orchestration for gaming data links requiring the June 2007 DirectX manifest. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. D3DX1034 is often associated with game graphics and audio processing. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore legacy DirectX files and update your GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the DirectX10 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. To fix persistent graphics initialization errors, you should download the DirectX End-User Runtime to restore the missing software bridges. This package contains the full set of legacy libraries required for multimedia applications, and it will automatically replace your DLL file if it is missing from your system directory. Why are we doing this? Well, the standard DirectX version included with Windows 10 and 11 is built for modern games and often lacks the backward compatibility needed for the specific file causing your error. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of DirectX 10 DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If missing library references are a concern, the suggested resource below provides general system maintenance information. To support our technical team and receive updates on DirectX 10 resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.